This is BB Venture Art. I'm here to train you on how to design your full art. The first step of it, we mold the art. This is what we mold: the brim and the crown. Now I've removed it from the mold. Then I trim the edge of it. This is the crown. This is the brim. I've trimmed the edge of it. And when I'm trimming it, I left 0.5 at the edge to cover the wire. The material you need are the remaining paper mat that you use, or cinnamon that you use to mold. The remaining one is to use accessory to design it. These are my accessories. You need your inner band that we are going to use to cover the inside of the art, and we need bias for the cover of the brim. You need your hook gum. You need your art wire. You can use your feather. You can use other accessories. These are the accessories I'm going to use to design it. With your plier to cut your wire and scissors, I'm going to put the wire inside this space. At times, it's not every time that you are going to leave 0.5 at the edge of it to cover the wire. Sometimes you can prefer to sew the wire around the brim. Then you give it to tailor. If you have a sewing machine at home, you can sew it yourself. Your ribbon to cover it round. What I'm going to do is that I'll put my wire inside the brim. Look at it. As soon as it fits inside, I will use my sellotape to hold the two edge of it. The two edge. You hold it like this. Put your hook gum at the edge of that little, that the 0.5 that you left behind. Then put it inside, put it at the edge, round the heart. Put it around the heart like this, and the edge with this 0.5, you cover it like this. You use it to cover it. Can you see it? Use it to cover it. See it? I've covered it round. Look at this center. Measure 0.5 inside. The reason why I'm saying this, so that you will not cut more than what you're supposed to cut. Use your blade. Use your blade to cut that side. Then, if you cannot use scissors, please use your blade to cut it round. Now cut it round. You can see it, you trim it round the way I'm doing it. Scissors. You know, from 0.5, you cut it to the edge. Please use, see the way I'm doing it, you are cut it small like this. You can see it. See what I'm doing? Now I've cut it, see it. Now the next thing is that you put your hook gum round take your crown. This is the crown. Place it there. It's that place I've cut. Then I'll be using my hand to gum it. Can you see it? using my hand to gum it. That's how I'm going to do it round. See, I've gummed the brim with the crown. Look at the inside. I'm going to cut the band. Look at this place. This joining, we are going to cut a band to cover it. Then to cut the half yard that you have, you fold it triangular from the edge, from this edge of the paper mat. You fold it triangular shape like this. Can you see it? Then you take your tape rule, you measure it from the edge. You measure. If you want it to be wide, you can use 3 or 3.5. But if you want the band to just be small, not too big, you can use 2.5. I'm making a single band. Then I'm going to measure, because I want the band to be 3. I measure 3 instead of 3.5. Then I'm going to cut my band from, look at the shape here, where I fold it in a triangular shape. Then I cut it straight. Fold it inside. Fold it inside like this. Here, and fold here. Equally like that. You can see it. So I form a band. Then take your heart. I'm going to gum it around. Then join the two hands in front here. The front, I'm going to join the hand together, the two hands together. You can see it's a simple bow. The length of my bow is 8 by 4. Then I'm going to use this lining gold to cover it. Then I'm joining the two together. I place it on each other. Then take my wool gum. I'm going to gum it together. Fold the two edge, the first edge here, fold it. To design the heart. You can see, then turn it, put your inside there. You use your bias to cover the edge here, round. Then you use your inner band. Use your inner band to cover the big sides where you join the brim and the crown together with your wool gum. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.